Physical therapy is an amazing field. You get to see the continuum of care from the very beginning when they're at their worst, and then you get to work with them till they're at their best.
Seton Hall does a great job at giving you a piece of every single specialty when it comes to neuro, ortho, pediatrics, helping me further that love and giving me more experiences that can better my future and have me prepared to pursue that career in pediatric physical therapy after I graduate.
At Seton Hall, we really do a great job of providing our students with lots of opportunities to learn in our simulation experience lab, and our students have the ability to actually work with a trained actor that portrays a patient case, and they get to practice hands-on skills within our four walls before students have to go out into the clinical environment and treat real patients. Our faculty has a wealth of knowledge and experience.
They really pay a lot of attention to what you want, and they prepare you for what you're gonna see before you actually go and see it.
Almost all of our professors are still practicing clinicians, and they highlight that a lot. They have gone through this and they are still doing this on a day-to-day basis, and I think that's something that's really important.
But here at Seton Hall, the students have a lot of opportunity and have a lot of choice in where they want to direct their clinical path.
The reason why you should choose Seton Hall is because it's a lot more geared towards you as a person instead of you as a student.
And I think Seton Hall has made me realize that I really did choose the right career path, and caring for other people and, just providing the evidence-based practice and everything that they've taught us, I feel like has really instilled my love for the field.